Hello guys, welcome to another new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to blur moving faces like this on Filmora X. So let's start the video. Before you start, please subscribe to our channel for more cool tutorials. So open Filmora and import your file. I already imported my file. Drag your video into timeline. Delete extra part of video. Okay, now select video and double click on this. And go motion tracking. Or select video and click this icon for shortcut. As you can see, motion tracking option directly open here. Now select this tracking box and adjust with face like this. After that, click Start Tracking. As you can see, Filmora automatically tracking face movement. After tracking, go this drop down menu and select Add a Mosaic. As you can see, a mosaic added to our timeline. Now change mosaic type as you like, but I think this is best. Then adjust mosaic with face. Then you can change blur amount and opacity as you like. Let's check preview. As you can see, it's amazing. For more cinematic view, you can add cinematic black bar. Now it's look like cinematic. You can add any logo or funny face to this like this. For tutorial purpose, I choose this funny emoji. So add this into timeline and take a snapshot. So that we got a PNG photo. Now delete mosaic from the timeline and add snapshot to this. Now adjust snapshot with face. Then select video and go drop down. And select snapshot from the drop down. As you can see, snapshot and video linking with other. Let's check preview. As you can see, it's also cool. Okay, our effect is done, so let's export this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more cool tutorial. And also leave a comment which effect you want on Filmora. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.